I seriously cannot believe it is September, but I'm actually so excited that it is September for several reasons. Number one, it's my anniversary month with my husband. We'll be celebrating 13 years of marriage. Number two is that I have an all expenses paid trip to Atlantis, Bahamas, paid for by 31. So I'm so excited to go on this leadership incentive trip for 2018. I'm just thrilled. And then third is our September customer special. You guys, this is gonna blow your minds. I'm so excited about this. So for every $35 that you spend, you can choose from 3 specials this month, okay? We have the Around Town Tote, the Colorblock Tote, and my favorite, the All About the Benjamins wallet. Okay, so let's get started. The first one I'm gonna share with you guys is the Around Town Tote. You guys, this is such a classic look for a tote. This is in City Charcoal. And the monogram, my letter right here, is in hot pink. You could, if you had the charcoal, you could literally do any color. You could do even charcoal embroidery on here or black. It would look so classic, you guys. I'm in love with this tote. It's such a sleek look, a business look, very, very professional. Mine's in hot pink, but you could really do like anything and make it look more professional. You could do a large monogram right here if you wanted to make it, do your whole monogram, make it really big on here. On the back, we have a place, our signature cell phone pocket, so you will never lose your phone in this big old bag. So this is a tote bag. It comes, I've got my catalog here because I don't want to say it wrong. It comes in Merlot, which is, I'll show you what Merlot is in just a second. It also comes in black, you guys. I'm so excited that this bag comes in black. It comes in charcoal. It comes in this olive color right here. And it also comes in this, let's see, in the charcoal that I have right here. Okay, so on the inside of this bag, some of the bags have the polka dots on the inside. So when you're on my website, I'll post the link below. If you're on my website, you can actually click on the side pictures right there and you can see what the inside of the tote bag looks like. So this one has the polka dots on the inside, and we have on the inside our 2 flat interior pockets, which are right here and over here, and then we have a zipper pocket right there, so you could keep maybe your little extra things in there. So this is a big tote bag, so things could get lost in here, right? So what I have in here is the Super Swap It pocket. It's falling down on me. You guys see the elastic pockets in there? I like being organized, and this bag, everything could get thrown in there. So that's why I would suggest pairing this with the Super Swap It pocket. So this is mine in mocha. Okay, I have a Benjamin's wallet in there, and I'm going to share with you guys that in just a second. But this has elastic pockets right there, and then on both sides, these 2 sides, you have zipper pockets. So you could keep all those extra things in your purse organized, maybe your checkbooks or, you know, makeup, literally anything, those little extras that you keep in your purse. I can't, my mind's going blank right now. But anyways, this is a Super Swap It pocket. This is $35. So this could be your qualifying purchase. You could get this for $35 and then make this your customer special, the Around Town Tote, for half price, you guys. This at half price would be $39. Amazing. This tote is normally $78. You could get it for $39. So you could pair it. This is a little solution set for you. Pair it with the Super Swap It pocket, put it down on the inside, and then you can get this for half price. I mean, fantastic. A great Christmas gift, birthday gift, somebody that's hard to buy for. Here you go, right here. Or you could get the Super Swap It pocket for you, get the tote for someone else. This Super Swap It pocket could also be used as a cosmetic bag or a Bible bag. So there's your little tip for there. All right, the next one I have to show you guys is the Colorblock Tote. I actually have been carrying this and I love it. It's the perfect size for a purse for me, you could have your monogram right here. You can have it embroidered. This is in the Ooh La La olive and then the olive twill stripe on the sides. It also comes in twill stripe, which is right here. So you have the tan color and then the black and white stripe, twill stripe right there. And then it also comes in black with the lovely leopard print on the side, you guys. It is so gorgeous. And if you host with me, you can get the All About the Benjamins wallet and the lovely leopard to go with that. Gorgeous. All right, so on the back, you have our signature cell phone pocket. Never lose your phone. You also have the same pockets on the inside of this one. You have your two flat interior pockets and your zipper pocket back here. This one does have a button closure on top, okay? And then I have this paired with the Swap It pocket. So this is the little baby and this one's the super. So this one's a super Swap It pocket and this one is just the Swap It pocket. So your size comparison, this is pretty, well, this one's not open all the way, but this one's a lot bigger, okay? It's for bigger bags, but this is the Swap It pocket, and this is the same concept as the other. You have your elastic pockets here. You have zipper pockets on both sides, and I just love that you can just move this from one bag to the next. So if this doesn't match your outfit one day and you need to change your purse, just take this out and put it in your next one, and you're good to go. Your All About the Benjamins wallet does fit on the inside, just like that. So you can get this for $25. This is a Swap It pocket, just like this. You could have this monogrammed if you want, and that would help toward your qualifying purchase of $35. All right, and then when you do spend $35, you can get the Colorblock Tote for $36, you guys, at half price. How exciting is that? This is a brand new purse for this season, and it is selling like hotcakes already. It is so beautiful. I love it. Okay, so now we're going to share with you guys the All About the Benjamins wallet. I cannot remember the last time that this was on sale. This is in Merlot. This is the one I have in Merlot, and here's the black one. So classic. Love it, love it, love it. So you can add a wristlet strap onto your wallet for $8 extra. I highly recommend that. I'm going to move my camera up just a little bit. See, it's not cutting my face off. All right. Well, let's see. There we go. Okay. So your zipper, it zips all the way around the edge right here. You open it up and you have card slots here. You have a place for your cash back here, maybe your receipts. If you want to keep your cell phone right here, it would fit. I have an iPhone 8 Plus and it fits in here. You could also keep your checkbook right here. Then you have a zipper pocket right here for your change. You have more card slots here and you have section back here. This is the All About the Benjamins wallet, and just like the Around Town Tote, if you go to my website, you can click those photos on the side and see what the inside of your wallet is going to look like. So the inside of my black wallet has polka dots. So some of them have polka dots and some of them have just the regular print on the inside. So do check that out. If you're a polka dot girl, check it out. So anyways, this is the customer special for September. Spend $35 and you can get an Around Town Tote or a Colorblock Tote or an All About the Benjamins wallet for 50% off. So at 50% off, your Benjamins wallet would be $24. How cool is that? So, seems like there was something else I was going to tell you. Oh, so it's for every $35 that you spend. So say you spend $70 at regular price, you can get 2 customer specials. So think about Christmas gifts. Think about, you know, birthday gifts, anything that you're gifting, anniversary gift, if you're a husband watching. So anyways, just keep those in your mind and be marking those names off your Christmas list, off your gift list. So anyways, I hope that you guys will shop with me in September. I hope you'll follow me on Facebook and you will connect with me on Facebook. So have a great night.